Kati Mr. Henry nze naye okudatinga. I think it was like thank you. It was like you didn't like really want it to happen, and it happened because it was like my healing process. It happened. Wali obadde kaawo njegezaako kuwulira kintu kye nali mpulira. Wali obadde kaawo nga katugambe kale obampa example ki nga oli nga kati tugambe kati nga boat cruise nefuna akabenje. Nofuna akabenje nga kabi nnyo mikono gye ne bafa. Ng'okimanyi obwongo bwo nti boat cruise etta abantu. Naye laba sitaani wakukema. Omuntu n'akugamba nga weesewo akabanga n'akugamba tugende ku boat cruise. Bane ng'okimanyi bulungi etta abantu. Naye n'ogamba kale n'osiba omutima. N'ogamba kale n'otuka kwera eryato ne bakwambaza life jacket ne bakwambaza biki naye ng'olina fiya mu mutima. Naye n'ogamba kale kangumi. N'otuka n'eryato ne litambula 1 hour 2 hour 3 hour okitegedde 4 hours 5 hours 5 okitegedde. N'ogamba kirigwayo n'olaba nga byobadde osuubira ate olaba biralaye n'olaba nga byebbyo eryato ne litambula ne mugenda gye mugenda ne mukomawo nga tofudde n'ogamba yeye n'oluddako nja kugenda n'ogenda paka naye n'otuuka n'otyamu n'ogamba si byebbyo lino eryato lyatta abantu kankole ki sijja kuddamu kugenda ku lyato. Kale akitegedde kubira yeesingalo ez'amaanyi. Okitegedde nti obadde nali nakava mu heartbreak. Nalina fear. I don't want to be disappointed again. Naye njagala laavu. Of course balina okundya. Kubanga era mukwano tosabirawo ng'ensolo tekulya mukwano. Tosobola mpozi nga toli mulamu. Era eki ne ntuuka ne ngamba bannaaye bankole ki. Mwana nankwanaawo ne ngwa mu laavu. Bwe nagwa mu laavu ne ntuuka eyo mu makkati ga laavu. Netandika okuddamu okunziza mu bye nnavaamu. Ningamba nedda. I am not willing to go back there. Let me heal. Let me find myself. Let me heal. Let me heal. Let me find myself. Let God bring that man that is going to chase me, that is going to love me, that is going to cherish me, that is not going to remind me about my past, a man that is not going to judge me. You know? No ngamba, let me let go. In some relationships, the moment I start chasing you, then I have to let you go. Because I am supposed to be chased, not me chasing you. The moment I start chasing you, then Bambi, bye. You have to chase me. You have to love me. You have to love me, Bienjagala, to cherish me, to care for me, I have to be your first priority, and consistency is key. Like, a man has to be consistent. Okitegedde togenda kera kumacha onkwane ngonjagala nnyo ngonfaako, then in the middle of everything you get comfortable. Like, why are you getting comfortable? You have to be consistent. Okitegedde. So Henry loved me, but he took your makati and then he got comfortable. He wanted me to chase him around, and I was not willing to chase him. I was not willing, because I'm the catch. I'm the catch, guy. I'm the catch. So yatuke maso. He wants me to chase him around. He wants me to call him every time, to plead, to cry, baby, baby, baby. You had to, like, he had to chase me around because I'm the catch. You are around. I was like, no, you're a good person. I love you. You're so humble. You changed my life. I am healing, but you have to go. Bye, boy. You have to go. Thank you. That's what happened. But just I'm the catch. If I'm not the catch, if you're not going to chase me around, then I'm sorry. Me, in my past relationships, it was me like chasing around the nigga because I didn't know what I was doing. Banai baby, Ninkaba. Right now, if you cannot chase me, I'm not chasing you back. You either go and leave me alone or change your ways. And then if you are not consistent, what you give me is what I'm going to give you. If you give me love, I'll give you love. If you give me respect, I'll give you respect. If you chase me around, I'll respond to your energy. If you're not going to chase me around, of course I'm not going to chase you around because you are a man. You are not supposed to be comfortable. All the nonchalant guys have to date nonchalant girls. Feba lover girls, na fetina yabafe, abaje twagala, nga batu chasing around, nga batu faako, nga batu wabitwagala. Mukitegedde. Mukitegedde banamwe, omwana omuwala ali eyo. These niggas have to chase you. Don't chase a nigga. Hey, baby, don't. No. Let him go. He's not the last born.